Hey guys, well today, it's pretty messy in the TV area, where I usually play the games and that. So I got my G5. It's a little bit messy with the crumbs and that, so we're gonna clean it up a bit. Unwrap a little more cord. Yeah, nice and clean now. I'm sorry if you guys couldn't hear anything getting picked up. I usually can hear stuff easier in the Centria than I can with this one, but oh yeah, I picked up those crumbs. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos that I shall be posting.